Hello, good morning. Today, June 25th, 2022. Okay, now I just want to show you how I resize the image. Suppose I want to download a picture as wallpaper. Suppose I love this one and I download it. I save the image at 300. Okay, and now let's see MPV, no, FEH 300. Oh, I found it too small. Okay. Then I want to resize it to fit the whole screen. How can I do it? I can do it in Python. Okay, now close this, and then I first found the resolution of my computer system, this laptop, and I type resolution. Then I got this number. Of course, that you don't have this command in Linux. What I do would actually that is alias resolution in IX this command. Okay, I have a very poor memory. I can't remember it, so I made an alias like this. Okay. So anyway, again, the resolution. Okay, then I remember its number. Then I run into I changed to my Python directory, and then I run a Python. P3 is my alias for Python 3, okay? And then I resize image that I got, download 300 JP, and the resolution here. Then I got a resolution here, and that's my resolution. Then I run it. Okay, then I immediately I got from here. I got this original file, and now that resized to fit this, and I test it. 300 resize. Okay, now I got a nice wallpaper that fit into my monitor, fit into my the resolution of my computer. Now I explained my program, my script in Python, how I do it. I file of Emacs again here, and that is my directory, and resize image. First thing first, go to the main. I did it yesterday, and that I got a tuple image and resize an argument from the argument to the main argument to this program, and I tested whether every side image is okay. And now reside image is a definition here, a function here, and reside image resides as argument, and check whether I enter the percent or not. Okay, then I test it with regular expression. If that is the percent, then I call up my class for percent. If that is inside with a plus b in that format, then I'll use this code. Okay, then now for this particular case, it's not percent, it is a2 plus b. Then I have to check whether you got the x there. If no, then you return nothing. There must be something wrong. It's neither percent, neither and multiplication of two numbers. So as I got a pixels, then I split it. That is a very common Python trick to split a string into two numbers. and I have to strip off because sometimes I may specify as say 1500 or whatever, and or may specify like this. So don't know, so you have to strip it off, and then make sure that numeric. I don't want to have some kind of argument like a plus 800. Then no, that's not good. So I must test it both numeric. If both are numeric, then I convert to integers. Okay. Then I call up my class called p picture. Of course, initially I wish to use the name image, but it have a conflict with some of the modules. So I should change the p. Then I have image, and I have and also an argument whether to show it the result immediately or not. Okay. So this is only a few lines of code, but this means that I call up with my class called media utilities, and I just see it about the pictures, and the pictures, and the key statement particularly for image: import platform, import Selenium, import quest, import, no, I don't know. Oh yes, here the key line is here. You got it from PIL import image. Okay, so that is the key import line, and my class and picture, it's here. In it, that I got a file path. I can even work on the URL, but that's not important to this particular case. So go to resize. That is the key function for this class. A percentage is specified. Now it's not percentage, is I'll specify the pixels. Oh, percentage none. Okay, no. And this is for percentage, and it's not for percentage, and so if this specifies an argument, then I will use this tuple, x pixels and y pixels. If not, then I would enter a number. Okay, in this case we have the pixels, and that resize here. So the key line is what? It's this. We try the self image resize. That this, I think that's the key line. Okay, that is for the image resize, and that is key line from the import module. That is how you do the resize. And self image is a property of this class or a function. Then I must go to this one. No, then it must be the property, because I wrote in it last year, and so I cannot remember too clearly. Resize again, and you must find the key statement. Anyway, it's terribly complicated when you look back, but that is also the usefulness of using a class, because that in the class I can I just know what it will help me, and I don't need to do all the coding again. It's reuse of code. I just call up my class, and then I can just get the result. That's the beauty of using class. Anyway, then I got the thing done, and I can have the image resize as I planned, as I desired. Okay, thank you for listening, and have a nice day.